Hey, I'm John LaGuardia, and I'm here to tell you just a little bit about our new photo sharing site for Overland Mountain Bike Club. So let's dive in, take a look at it. Here we go. Okay, so in order to see these awesome photos from other members in the club on our Google Photo site, what you're going to have to do is download the Google Photos app, and it works great on your mobile device. So just go over to the iTunes Store or the Google Play Store, download the app, and then check your email. From inside your email, you'll receive a message from Kenny or someone else in the club, and in that email it will look something like this, where it will have different links to each one of the albums that we've created. And what you'll do is just tap on one of those albums, and it will take you to the main page for that particular album. You'll notice there, kind of in the middle, there's a join button, and then there's some little icons, one for Kenny and one for Kent, who have already joined that particular album. So I'm going to go ahead and join it as well. And now you'll see that my avatar is actually loaded on there as well. And down at the bottom it says joined album. From there I can do a multitude of different things. Up at the top right you have a few selection buttons. If I wanted to add a photo, I could actually add something from my device or other places on the web that I may have some information. I'm just going to put a picture of a camera in here just to add something in. And now that that picture's in there, you can see that that one's there, and the Overland Mountain Bike Club logo is in there as well. One thing that I can do is I can tap on a photo. I can hit the comments button and say, nice camera. And then that particular comment will be tied to that photo. You'll see it's got a 1 down at the bottom down here, and I can tap on it and see who commented on my photo. So that's a way that you can actually go and comment on other people's photos. Hey, that's an epic shot of that mountain biker jumping off that jump or whatever. The next thing up at the top right is this ellipses button. And what you can do is you can share a particular photo with someone. You can download it to your own device, and you can see the sharing options that you have. You can copy the link to that particular album and share it with someone else in the club if you want. And you can see who's assigned or who's actually joined that particular album. So a lot of different options here, but pretty simple, pretty straightforward, easy to use. Let's see, if I tapped on a photo and I wanted to find out information about that photo, just hit the I button. You can add a description in there if you want to. You can forward it on to someone else. And up at the top you could download it or remove it from album. And I'm just going to go ahead and remove it this time. So now we're back to where we started again. And then say for instance you signed up for a particular album and you join that, but then later on you decide you don't want to be a part of that album. You can hit the ellipses button at the top right and then tap on leave album. It'll confirm it, and then you'll see that my avatar has disappeared now. So that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy to use, and I really appreciate you taking the time to listen to this tutorial, and I hope it's very helpful. Now get out there and ride, take some epic photos, and get them uploaded to the site. Thanks a lot.